We are here in beautiful sunny Ormond Beach, Florida at a new solar installation by Wayne Solar. We installed 36 solar panels on this house. It is paired with the in-phase microinverter system that allows each panel to be individual and optimizes the production on a per panel basis. It also allows the homeowner to have great monitoring capabilities of the system where he can see his production every hour, every day, and throughout the year. The system is grid tied with FPL, and the homeowner has the ability to sell excess solar back to the grid for full value. He will have a net zero utility bill through the net metering program with FPL.